Good evening, beautiful ladies and dashing gentlemen. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate Agnitraya, the annual cultural, sports and management event of IIM Kashipur, which has carried on its legacy over the years. This year, the theme of Agnitraya is 90s Back to the Future, to strike nostalgia. The annual fest holds various events distributed over 3 days with students coming from more than 50 colleges among the IIMs and IITs. This event is getting bigger and better year over year, which would not have happened without the support of our sponsors. We hereby present to you our esteemed sponsors. Avio by Amatra as title sponsor. Gateway to Corbett, a legacy of extravagant cuisine, lifestyle and eye-catching ambience in Kashipur. India Glycols Limited as co-sponsor, the only green petrochemical company of its kind. 93.5 Red FM, the official radio partner Bajate Raho. So moving ahead, the cultural committee of IIM Kashipur is here with our very own fashion show, 90s Flair, where our amazing participants will take you back to some of the most memorable fashion trends of the 90s in their own unique way. So you must be wondering how an online fashion show would look like, right? Fear not guys, because we believe that constants beget creativity. On that very positive note, let's kickstart our event. We are relying on you to keep the chat box lively. Do not hesitate to cheer for your favorite team and motivate them. So welcoming our first performance of the day. Give a big round of applause for Team On a Break for IIM Kashipur.
Job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought you down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all of the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best with you. Yeah. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
What a wonderful performance team. You lived up to your team name. When we think of the 90s, it's impossible to not think of Friends. I'm sure most of you will binge watch the show tonight. Such nostalgia. Okay, so moving on to the next team, it's time to welcome team eligible bachelors from IIM Kashipur. classic Bollywood heroes from the 90s. I believe there couldn't have been a better day to put up this show than Valentine's Day. Duly noted, team eligible bachelors. Now let us all welcome our next performer, Team Gurukul from IIM Kashipur. The stage is yours, team.
एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी, एक लड़के पे वो मरती थी। नजरें झुका के शर्मा के गलियों से गुजरती थी। चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके चिट्ठियां लिखा करती थी। कुछ कहना था शायद उसको, जाने किससे डरती थी। जब भी मिलती थी मुझसे पूछा करती थी, प्यार कैसे होता है, ये प्यार कैसे होता है। और मैं सिर्फ यही कह पाता था।
आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा, ये प्यार कैसे होता है। हे! आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है। कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा, ये प्यार कैसे होता है।
Wow, nostalgia hits at all the right places. This made me want to watch Mohabbatein all over again. In fact, every Shah Rukh Khan movie of that time. Alright, introducing our next set of performers. They are Team Verve from Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai.
Not the Harshad Mehta
scam. It is a PV Narasimha Rao scam.
Tell me, before I do some damage, you won't walk away from me.
I don't let my friends get hung. Do I look like a criminal?
हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं। शादी भी एक बार होती है।
दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है, दिल तो पागल है।
पलट।
Top dog, bite 'em all, nigga, burn this shit up. DPGC, my nigga, turn that shit up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Bug niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my hoe a 44 when she got in the back door. Bitches looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this motherfucker just to swing in my hair. Bitch, quit talking, quit walk if you down with the sick. Take a bullet with some dick and take this dope on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if your ass get cracked, bitch, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
That was Bollywood in its raw form. Wonderful creativity team. We know how hard it is to coordinate virtually, but you guys did it so flawlessly. Now it's time to welcome Team Ground Zero from yet again IIM Kashipur.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor, un partigiano.
eyes glued to the screen throughout. And I believe it was the same for you guys as well. I cannot help but marvel at the creativity and talent depicted in this event. Hats off to you guys. We would like to thank our sponsors, AVO by Amatra, as title sponsor, Gateway to Corbett, a legacy of extravagant cuisine, lifestyle and eye-catching ambience in Kashipur. India Glycols Limited as co-sponsor, the only green petrochemical company of its kind. 93.5 Red FM, our official radio partner, Bajate Raho. I know you all are eagerly waiting to know who the winner is. So am I. But you would have to wait for a while. We will be declaring the results very soon on our social media handles. So keep a tab on them. Follow IIM Kashipur, Agnitraya and Cultural Committee's social media channels.